Okay, let's look at describing a scatter plot. So we have an example here, and there are four things that we want to use to describe a scatter plot. So direction, form, strength, and unusual features, or we can think of that like outliers. So for this scatter plot, what we want to look at for direction, we can decide between positive or negative. So basically in this case, if I look at the data, my x values are increasing and the points are also going up this way. The y values are increasing. So this is a positive relationship. The form, I'm asking myself, is it linear or not linear? So in this case, I'm going to draw like an oval around my points and see they are kind of going up in a line. It's a pretty fat oval, but we would say this is linear because things are generally in a line. If it was not linear, it would be something like curved, something that looks like this. And these points generally just fit a line, not a great one, but so for strength, we're going to decide is it strong or weak. So I drew an oval around my points, and because we've got some wacky points here, we have a lot of distance between the points. I have a fat oval. So the fatter the oval, the weaker the relationship. So we would say this is weak. Now, unusual features, the point I circled up here is real far away from the pattern and kind of also far away from these points. So this point's probably an outlier. So we do have one outlier potentially. So if I estimate roughly where this point is, I would say it's at about 65 on the x and 200 on the y. So if we wanted to write this in one sentence, we would say there is a fairly weak positive linear relationship between height, so this is my context, and weight, with one potential outlier at 65 and 200. So that's describing a scatter plot. And those are your characteristics you want to do, and that is the sentence you want to write.